Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix last war, survival freeze or disconnect during events. Before going into the game itself, make sure that you have an internet connection on your mobile. This time, you have to open your settings on your mobile phone and then go to apps. Click on all apps. You can either search for the Last War Survival or just scroll down until you find the Last War Survival application. This time, go to the Storage and Cache section and then clear the cache, and after that, clear the storage as well. If the issue persists, you can also use Force Restart on your mobile device and launch the game again. This is the last resort. If everything else doesn't work, you can just uninstall and reinstall it on your mobile phone.